Hey man, what's good y'all? It's your boy Church, man. We are doing another vlog, bro. We're gonna get to that little nature vlog. It ain't gonna be that long though, cause it's already like getting dark and shit. So we ain't gonna stay in there for that long, but we gonna stay there for a little bit. So we're gonna go up into the woods. We're gonna do a little nature vlog, and then we're gonna go home and shit. So this is just gonna be a little vlog of like doing nature and stuff like that, but you already know. Like I said in the last vid, when we were nighttime walking and stuff like that, like I said in the last vid, I got my album coming up soon, my birthday's coming up soon. We got that little short film going on, so y'all stay tuned for that shit, cause it's coming, don't you worry. And we're gonna be doing more vlogs too, don't you worry. I promise y'all that. I know I haven't been doing this shit lately, but I got y'all, bro. So let's get right into the video. We're here, y'all. Doing this nature vlog and shit. We in the woods now, as you can see. Pretty much. We just gonna go around here for a bit. There's some good snow up here. We're just doing this nice nature vlog. Feel me? But yeah, bro. Got this nature vlog going on. We in the woods right now, as y'all can see. But yeah, bro. Just walking out here looking at nature, bro. Ain't really nothing going on out here, but I hear birds chirping. I see the trees. The leaves fell off the trees a little bit. But yeah, man. We're doing this little nature vlog. Y'all can see here, bro. Just taking this little walk down the trail. Hopefully no bear comes out running at me or some shit. But nah, ain't gonna be no bear. Don't listen to me. I'm doing this nice little trail. You feel me? We're gonna take this trail down and then back up. Can't really be here for that long. I gotta be careful out here though. It's really slippery down this hill. Whoa. See what I mean? It's a little slippery down the hill. Just gotta be careful of the snow. But yeah. Bro, I can see some deer tracks right here. See that? That gotta be like, I don't know. I say deer or buck. I'm not really a hunter like that, but like I said, I'm not really a hunter like that, but let me know in the comments if that's like deer or buck. Here, I'll show you the tracks again. It go right here, I think. Let me know, bro. Yeah, like right there. I'm not really a hunter like that, but for all my hunters, comment in the comments, Let me know if that's like deer or buck, because I can't tell. I know that's like deer or buck. I don't know the difference, but I'm not really a hunter like that. I want to get into hunting. Don't get me wrong, I want to get into hunting, but I just don't got my license or anything like that yet. I used to go fishing with my dad for a little bit. Oh shit. Yeah, see, I gotta be careful over here. It's getting really slippery. It's starting to get dark right now. I might need to go back then. Don't want to go too far out here. I am pretty far out here though. As long as I got my camera, my tripod, and all that. Nah, bro, but yeah, let me know in the comments if that's like deer or buck. What was that? I think that was a bird. Oh shit. It gets scary out in the dark in the woods. Oh shit. Okay, I ain't gonna lie, this might be far as we going. Here, maybe a little more. I need to focus on getting down here than to do all that. Hold up, y'all. This is a big drop right here. I gotta be careful. Okay, we still good. We still going. We're, like I said, sorry for the cutout. It's gonna do that. We near the highway right now, but oh shit. We basically out. There's still like more woods over there somewhere, but you know, we can go in there for a little bit. I'm basically near the highway now. Yeah, man, this is nice. There's like woods around the school, so it's like near an elementary school. We good though. Nobody's there, so we ain't gonna get in trouble like that. I just gotta be careful what I'm doing. Ooh. Let me stop talking real quick. I gotta go down this hill right here. Yeah, we basically out, but there's still like some woods to go. If y'all want to still keep going, fuck it. Might as well for a little. Bro, I have the balls to do this shit. I don't give a fuck, bro. I have the balls to do this shit. I don't know why people are so worried about me though. Yeah, see, I just want to get to this part to show y'all this little creek right here. It's about nighttime, so I might just show y'all this little creek and then probably go. Actually, let's take this way. Check it out, man. Nice little creek going under the highway bridge. It's cool as shit, ain't it? But yeah, man. I might show you. Here, I'll show you a little more. You know what I'm saying? It's a nice little highway, nice little creek right there. Here, let's go this way. Sorry, this ain't gonna be like it's gonna be like a short little nature vlog, but hey, at least we got to see the woods for a little bit. You got to see a little creek. I'm walking the side of the creek right now. Know what I mean? Yeah, it ain't all that bad. It ain't a bad little nature vlog. It's just a little short one, but hey, I mean, it is what it is. Yeah, bro, I see deer and buck going through here. Like right through this little trail right here that I'm going on. Right up along the creek. I've seen some deer out here the other day going through up in near the school, but that was it. It was like three. It's like a family. It's crazy. I was sitting on my porch and I saw that. It was like a kid, a mother. It was like two kids and a mother. Yeah, man. People think I ain't scared of the woods, bro. I'm not scared of the woods. Fuck no. I'd go a little longer if I had to. It's just getting really dark and it'd just be hard to see. You know what I mean? But yeah, bro. That's pretty much it. Nice little trail. We basically walked through up there, down there, and we were in there for a little bit. Now we're like right up along the creek right here. So you know, there'll be some buildings. I wish there was like more like woods here. Fuck this school. Put more of like fucking trees and woods here so I can explore more nature. I'm really like that, bro. I don't give a shit. I don't give a shit what these people think. All I got is my phone and my tripod. Fuck out of here. I'm just doing a little vlog, man. Come on now. Always gotta ruin shit. We good though. Ain't nobody came out. I don't like cops, man. I hate dealing with cops. Deal with that shit all the time. I feel like somebody's walking behind me, bro. Basically, we out now. So, yeah. Oh, it's just people. We out of the woods, man. I might end the video right here. I might end the video right here. But yeah, that's just a little nature vlog we did. So you already know. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't got the chance. And yeah, bro, I'll see y'all in the next video. I'll let y'all know when I make more vlogs and stuff, so it'll just be posted on my YouTube channel. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe on this video. There will be more vlogs in the future.